This video is about removing the unwanted browser extension called Pure Browse. Pure Browse is the extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. This extension is often spread through integration with a lot of free applications. This is why this extension is considered to be the potentially unwanted software. If it was somehow found on your computer, you need to get rid of it. So access the menu, go to Extensions, Manage Extensions, and if you see this Pure Browse, just remove it. If you find anything else that is suspicious, get rid of it too. Finally, I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching the computer to detect and eliminate other infections which could possibly still remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.